Hey you guys, look where I'm at. The mechanics. I'm gonna be getting you guys know how I had that attempted break-in a few months ago, back in May, early May. Hold on, I feel like my camera's dirty. I feel like it's dirty. There we go. I'm getting a shield to right now they're breaking in Toyota Priuses for the catalytic converter, and I'm getting a shield installed so that way nobody will steal mine. MILLERCAT sent me this, and they wanted me to bring awareness to this. They're not paying me or nothing, you guys, but they did want me to show you guys everything. So this is how the shield looks, and it's gonna go that way, of course. But yeah, it just goes underneath your car, and it's gonna cover the catalytic converter so that way no one can break in it. I think it's a really cool company though. Look at the shield and stuff. I think this is stainless steel too. Looks like they already started. And we got a little bit of, looks like we're running into a problem possibly. So right now you just got like these two bolts in here. And the rest of these have to go in here. So this is where it gets crazy because there's no actual holes for them. So they got to get that in there. But that's the catalytic converter right there. That's what they're stealing, that thing right there. I do not like being under cars. I feel so weird. I don't want to be under there. That's one of the things. That's why I wasn't gonna try to do this myself, because it was like, I'm not getting underneath this car. But it's kind of cool to see underneath it. I just don't like being under there. I never got to see underneath my car like this. My greenhouse. And I know these things are stable. It's like hydraulics and air brakes, but I don't want to go under there. So we're going to do the next step, which is the rivet tool. They're trying to figure this out. This is new to them, new to me. It was done in probably total of 5 minutes. I literally went inside to go grab my charger and use the restroom, and I came back out and they were already taking he already took the car down and he was done pulling it around. I went to make sure it's on there good. I'm looking at it. It looks amazing. It covers the shield. I wish I would have been able to get it when it was still up, the final product. But it's up there good, you guys. I pulled on it to make sure, like I'm tugging on it right now with my hand, and it's up there good. And it looks cool too. It looks better. I love the little symbol that they have, the MILLERCAT symbol, cat shield. And I did go on the website, you guys. There was a lot of tips and instructions on there, but they were already done. Like, he knew what he was doing. He's a Prius specialist. So I found a new mechanic, and we got our shields, you guys. Now, the company was supposed to send me some stickers. I thought it'd be a good idea to put the stickers in the back so that way they can be seen when somebody's trying to run up on my car and possibly think about it. You know, so the thieves will know, like, okay, this is a car that has a shield. Let's not waste our time. So we got some things done. 2 improvements on our greenhouse, you guys. I'm feeling good about it. I'm feeling really blessed and fortunate, a very lucky person. I'm feeling like a VLP. But I'm at an apartment complex. I'm about to wash my car. They got a free car wash. If you guys are interested in the company, I'll make sure I put it in the description box and stuff. They sell all the catalytic converter shields, and I think it's a great company, great customer service, and good people so far. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I know this one's a little different than some of my other videos, but I'm still making sure I'm always having my light shine through, and my positive energy, and my high vibrational energy. I'm always making sure I put that in my videos, regardless of what we're talking about, you guys, because at the end of the day, still want to have that high energy for you guys. And it's not high energy, it's positive energy. I believe in positive energy. So important. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you later. Have a wonderful, awesome, fantastic, phenomenal day.